In today's video, I'll show you how to create cinematic flash transition in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and now I'm going to add a transition between this clip with a cinematic flash effect. So to do that is that we would need an adjustment layer. And to create or add an adjustment layer is that we would need to go here into the projects panel, which is right here. So just find it in your workspace, and from here, just simply right click on the empty space, go for new item, and click on adjustment layer. And if you can't see this or if you can't do this for some reason, then you can just make sure to expand it, and then you'd have this button right here, new item button, wherein you could now create an adjustment layer from this button. Click on OK. And then once it's created, scroll all the way down until you find your adjustment layer. And from here, you want to drag it into your timeline. And now you would need to adjust the length of the adjustment layer. And to adjust this precisely is that we're going to go and right click on the adjustment layer and go into speed and duration. And then here in the duration, you want to delete all of that and just type 8 so that it will be 8 frames. And now here it is. Now we just need to expand this by pressing the plus key on our keyboard to expand our view in the timeline, and make sure that the middle of this two clips is in the middle of the adjustment layer. So there will be 4 frames each. Now, to do our transition is that we would now need this effect next. So go here into effect and then go into, you want to go for levels. And then you would have this one right here, levels, under video effects, adjust. So you want to drag it into adjustment layer. And then here, you just simply want to go and keyframe the white input level. But first, make sure that your playhead is at the beginning. Now you want to go here into the keyframe button for the white input level. So make sure it's 255, then go into the middle and set it to 0. Then go into the end and 255 again. Right there. And then when you play it, it should now look like this. So there it is. So that's a nice flash transition, as you can see. And then actually this is already pretty good, but what I like to do, just some additional touch, is that I highlight all the keyframes and go for ease out. So it will now be like this. It's slightly much smoother, which is what I want. So yeah, that's it on how you can do a cinematic flash transition. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.